Andy here from Customer Success, coming to you with the latest releases from UpGuard. You can now assess a vendor's risk profile by mapping risks against recognised security frameworks like ISO 27001 or NIST CSF, letting you efficiently see which sections of the standards your vendors comply with. This makes it easier than ever to identify and remediate potential gaps. When analysing IP address information, it can often be useful to see a list of domains associated with each IP address. In this release, we've added support for this associated domain list for each IP address in our Excel exports, bringing them in line with the PDF exports. You're now able to bulk import vendors to your monitored vendors list. You can bulk import your vendors by entering a list of domains or uploading a CSV. Using a CSV, you can also assign tiers to new or existing vendors, saving you time by speeding up the organisational processes. For the full list of new additions, check out the release notes at upguard.com/releases.